That should work. Do you now have 2 horns?
No, I didn't know that. That's unique.
I put a second horn in. I bought the extra horn. It's like a dual horn for like a car or something.
Yeah.
And I put it in because I wanted to put the stock horn on the KTM. But once I installed it, I realized that the sound is really shit. I was like, I'm not gonna pass shocking like that. So I actually never took the stock one off. Ooh, little adventure.
Oh, this is sketchy.
Yeah, I told you gravel. Gravel is gravel. And especially now. I promise you don't have to go back down.
That's alright. I'm good, doing alright. I've been through worse.
That's why I wanted to turn the camera on. So YouTube, welcome to Riding Japan, and we are doing another dual vlog video. I want to show him in Haikyo, but we're probably not going to film it today because we are running out of time. I'm running out of time, but we can probably have a little peek. And yeah, don't fall down there. I said it doesn't take too long, but I forgot that with the KTM it probably was a lot quicker. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
The dude with the GS, it's not the same one.
This guy thinks we're idiots.
So there's a goal for us. There is a Haikyo spot that we want to look at, but unfortunately you don't get to see it today. And this is not so bad.
This is pretty clean, actually. I thought it'd be a little more rougher than this.
Wow. Yeah. Most of the ones I've seen, they are like this. And if you think about it, I mean, we are going kind of slow. Yeah. But he's got his, I don't know what, that wasn't a GS, that was an adventure thing, right? Like,
yeah, it was adventure something.
Like, someone told me, one of the enduro guys told me that you can basically take every street bike off-road. It just, just go a bit slower maybe, but like, I've done some really funny stuff with the BMW, and this is probably pretty close to the maximum, but you know what I mean, like.
Yeah, this is the first time the RF has been off the road. She's getting her cherry popped.
Yeah. It would have been easier if I had found the other road, but nah.
This is more fun.
If you're having fun, that's good.
Yeah, but I'm just looking at I was just catching the edge here. It's like there's nothing to stop you from jumping off this edge.
No. The bottom.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, but they have a lot of this cheese wire. If you know what I mean, like in the other road as well, like just like steel wire next to the road. I've thought about sliding into that too. Can you actually see my plate, or is it still nice and dirty?
It's nice and dirty. The first 2 letters maybe, but the other 2 I can't see at all.
No, it's okay. It's the top kanji is the main thing, right?
Yep.
Wow.
The top kanji and the designator.
So you are fine with if I put everything that we have since the bridge, since we turned it on, I can put this on YouTube?
Yeah, I'll see why not.
Okay. So you mentioned off camera that you actually told me on camera you started dirt bikes.
Yep.
How far did that dirt bike career skill thingy go?
Well, it was really strictly just for fun, and my best friend from elementary school, I used to go down to his house and we take the bikes out on the trail and that was the extent of what we used to do with it. So we didn't race or do anything more than that. It was just more, hell, we didn't even wear helmets. We were just freaking dicking around in the dirt.
No MX track or anything like that.
No. Strictly country boys having fun in the woods on dirt tracks and whatnot.
Yeah, I started like 16-ish, and yeah, my brother hated me for it, but he wasn't allowed to get a scooter when he was 16.
Yeah.
But my father started motorcycles more seriously, and wow, I got a 125, like a reduced to 80 km/h 125.
Yeah.
And my father said, you can have it, and you are more responsible than your brother. So wow, I got scared. Why did I do this? Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, I'm torturing the clutch way more than I should.
Yeah, me too. Are you just in first gear?
Yeah. We must be more than half already.
Alright.
And we are going to hit some paved roads.
Oh shit. Damn. You got a stick caught in your tire.
Huh?
You got a stick caught in your tire.
I do?
Yeah, you do. On your left side, look down to the rear.
Well, okay.
There you go.
Thanks. Yeah, if you go here left, you don't need to worry about wearing a helmet here. This will do it for you, huh?
That's a long drop.
Wow. Ka.
Yep.
Pew, pew, pew. Whoa! Careful, don't go there. Whoa! Mama! It's always the same. Why do I pick such shitty lines? I remember this one, but we are not going up there.
Alright.
It's a dead end, but it's really steep.
Yeah, we can skip that.
If you fall, I don't have a camera to the back.
I hear water. Oh, look at that. That's pretty fantastic.
Yeah, I did this with the KTM in half the time. My speedometer. Oh! Oh!
Oh, son of a bitch.
I think I just did something wrong. What the fuck did I do? Okay, I promised you don't have to go down, but actually you do have to go down.
It's alright.
Did they close that?
Well, let's ride up and see.
No, it's closed.
Yeah, I see it's closed. I want to go see what it says.
I remember turning around here. I'm on the wrong road with you. I don't remember where that high cube spot is.
Soka.
What does it say?
It says basically there's a lot of like water road damage, I guess, and it says you can't enter.
Yeah.
And it says closed until, wait a minute, what's this say? If I'm reading this correctly, it's closed until March 31st next year. Wow, okay. It's got a camera and everything. That must be serious.
Oh really?
Yep.
It's got a camera.
There's a camera on the gate. I don't think it's a live camera, but it's a camera nonetheless.
Let us, you know what? The way back is gonna be a bitch.
I'll go down first.
You don't have any tape, do you?
No tape.
I cannot use any of the footage if you go down first.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you go to first then.
Is that okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Or you'd rather go first?
No, you go first.
Am I too slow?
No, you're fine. I was just trying to take some pressure off you. I thought maybe me following you was too much pressure. Sorry.
No. I just, you have to wait. I'm sorry.
It's cool. Well, that was fun nonetheless.
Yeah, with the wrong bike.
Yeah, well.
So sorry, YouTube people. I'm not sure how much of a, I don't know how entertaining this video is. Oh fuck! I should maybe stop and show them how steep.
Well, I'm looking here. I'll look for you.
Okay, can use that footage.
That's pretty goddamn steep. That's just a couple of feet from going off the edge there. Just right off the edge. Woo! Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't mind if you fall down, but don't break the bike. Yeah. That would be a shame.
That definitely would be a shame.
Yeah, I mean, this is not very valuable, but I was scared enough. When I went to Abyss, like the track day that I mentioned to you before,
Yeah.
I rode up there and it was like 300-400 kilometers maybe.
Yeah.
And oh, I was so worried, if I drop it, I cannot go home without, you know, indicators or something like.
That'd be an expensive ride.
Yeah, this one fell also recently.
Did you get that far ahead of me already?
Did you stop?
No. You just get the Senna range got cut because of the trees.
You are fairly. I can't see.
I'm coming. I'm making pretty good pace actually. I'm gonna come up to you in just a second.
Yeah, YouTube people, this is steeper than it looks. Always remember. The last gravel adventure I took on the BMW, it was not this hard packed. This is pretty hard packed, right?
Yeah.
I was like sliding sideways, and you use the front brake and it starts to lock up and slide, and this is actually not a bad road for this kind of stuff. Oh come on, you're kidding me? That car's in front of us.
That's it. Oh yeah, well he's going a bit slower.
Yeah, we just passed him coming up, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling, people. You can write in the comments how boring it is.
At least from my side, it's a different view than the city view all the time.
Yeah.
This isn't boring to me, so if you guys don't like it, you can just stop it.
Yeah.
Click next.
Click next. But stay on the channel. Yeah. You mentioned the car. What car do you drive?
My car? Oh, it's just a Toyota, like a little. It's a full, not a full size either. It's kind of a sport compact. It's got 4 doors and a hatchback, so it's kind of like a sport compact. It's really meant for shopping only. I don't really use it for much else except for shopping and maybe some short trips.
Oh, thank you, dude. Thank you. Would the dirt bike thing interest you? Or not at all?
I'll try it one time.
Yeah.
But getting invested into that, probably not my cup of tea, I don't think.
Yeah, no.
I think
no,
trying it occasionally is okay, I think.
Yeah. No, but Saga and Mihala is perfect for this, and especially if we are both recording, we can swap back and forth. What shoe size do you have?
In centimeters, it's like 30, 31. I think 29 to 31, something like that.
Yeah, so you're like 11 and a half.
Yep.
Yeah. I have 2 sets of dirt bike boots, and I also have 2 sets of knee guards. So if you put those on, because you know you don't want to swap the shoes, you know.
Yeah.
But you should really wear them. I have a lot of equipment actually, but no, but Sagamihara is neat, and I'm like 100-200 meter from the car, if at all. Like where you can park the RS, and then we just, you know, go through the same ditch again and again. Try to wheelie, and it's fun. this is a different cup of tea, but I would love to. Yeah, you don't need to buy a dirt bike, you know, but ooh, I don't want. Fuck, I just got wet. Stick, piss off. You didn't pay rent. But the water's cold.
It is cold, yeah.
Yeah, the dirt bike guys that I rode with, I guess maybe YouTube has already seen that video. Oh, I'm so far behind them skill wise. And the Japanese guys, and they're like 50 plus, and their balance is insanely good. And then there's like a 30 centimeter big rock, and then just head on, wheelie up, and then whoop, go over, and never put the feet down. And that was really impressive.
Yeah, that would be impressive, especially that age.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't want to reveal anything about Tokyo off-road, but like, those guys are fit, right? They're really fit. All the guys in, like, I outweighed all the guys in by at least 20 kilo. Like, they're all skinny and muscular, and it's like, oh shit. No, but it's fun, and they're nice, they're friendly. I didn't really ride much with them. Like, they went out morning and afternoon, and I did half the morning ride and waited until lunch-ish. They took another route I couldn't take, and then the whole afternoon ride I went on by myself, which is basically like this. Which is too boring for them, you know. But I shouldn't talk about a video that those people I've already watched. Do you have something to say? Do you have any questions? Maybe you have questions too. Wow.
No, not really.
Yeah, I think we all talked out.
I think there's more. I think it's more like,
wow.
When are we going to do this again? That kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, the car's behind us. He regrets letting us through. Yeah.
You can't go much faster than we can, so.
I think if you can manage during the week, anytime you want, but weekend is very tough for me.
Yep, I understand. Weekday works for me as long as I can plan it in advance, but that's the only thing that.
Yeah.
And I try not to let anything bother. Of course, as you know, something may come up, but usually I can control it.
And you don't need to be. I mean, it depends, but you don't need to be too fixated on the Monday Tuesday thing as well. If you like, because I can switch my schedule. It's just if I don't work weekends, I lose a lot of money.
Yeah, don't do that. Make money.
You're like my wife, dude.
Alright, how does she feel? Everything alright?
So the next road type looking thing on the left we should take.
Alright.
In 1.7k. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, guys, riding Japan, let's stop here. This is kind of like Griffin's Claw. So, see you guys on another video.
Bye.